The jury them there. The jury them is there. Yes. Good afternoon to my jury them. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good night. What again? Howdy to the jury them. A pleasant good afternoon to all of the good-hearted jury them. Good afternoon to the jury them. Where I could just come over here, come make them blood pressure raise up today. Because them want to see the beautiful Master Baker. Good afternoon to all bad-minded jury them what me never call over here today. But we're not over here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all our bright people them who want to work for the immigration. Yes. Social Security Office. SSI, CCI, FBI. And all get rejected. Good afternoon to honor. Yes. Good afternoon to all our jury them when me auntie now look pan. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all I jury them we can't sleep at night time because I'm a good up auntie and our good up cakes them. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. They want them when I go sleep because of me tonight. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to one them bad mind me because me a breed for bringing. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to Uno. Good afternoon. Welcome. 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 What me say? Welcome. A special welcome to Uno. What my auntie are mad. Good afternoon. When I go spend the rest of the year, I get mad. When I go spend the rest of the year, I'm going to 2023. I make my auntie a raise up on her blood pressure. And she now look on her. Master Baker come out of a hawks. Good afternoon to the bright woman. Where have them test me auntie cake? The bright one with the PhD. The accolades, the marmalades, the Kool-Aids. And none of them that couldn't tell her, say, when you want somebody to test something from the Caribbean, you have to use Caribbean people. Imagine, Master Baker, we only know our tin mackerel, our boiled dumpling, our curry chicken, our brown stew chicken, our oxtail, our salt mackerel. And somebody come and say, Master Baker, I want you to try 2 different types of caviar. What may I look for in the caviar? And because I want everybody thinks I'm a bougie, make I say yes. Me know all caviar tastes. Because I want them think me have exquisite taste. Me I talk to your bright morning star with your PhD, your BRD, and your CXC. No, you're bright. You're bright. Nobody from the Highland. They in America. If test them there. So, they know how sorrel tastes more than me. Because what? Because of what? How they know about sorrel, different spices them, and them not Jamaican. Who not help me understand this? Me good up jewelry them. People were used to curry chicken with a full leg. People were used to oxtail was sweetened with sugar. You are gonna make them taste. Fimi. Auntie good up cake them unbiasedly. You may talk to Bright and Morning Star. Yes. Me tell you say, blood pressure I got raise up in 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Master Baker then come out and play today. Me talk to all the bright people them. The one them with them PhD, CXC, and all of that. Think about that. Brilliant woman, think about that. Yes. Anyways, Master Baker out here today for do an anniversary cake. An anniversary bulla cake. Upside it down pineapple bulla cake. Yes. The woman will order this. She named Poop Shell. Shit Shaw. She wants to celebrate her 20th wedding anniversary with her dead husband. Yes. Oh, I forgot to say good afternoon. To all the Caribbean people them in America, we can tell a white person different from a Dundus and now put a country to shame. So we not used to no white people and we don't know what white people look like. Alright. Good afternoon to you all. Back to baking. Me damn good up. Pineapple. Upside it down. Cake. Yes. Yes. So in order to get your pineapple upside it down bulla cake, we're going to put the pineapple on the bottom and we're going to turn it upside down. There you have it. Upside it down. Pineapple bulla cake. Yes. Right there. That's it. That's it. Then we spray it up because we have to shower with the bulla cake before it goes. So you spray it up. Who not like him, we spray him up. Yes. Alright. Yes. You make sure you spray him up good. Go between the creases and get some good spray up in there. Because we want it go out nice and fresh. You understand? We don't want to frown the cake. Left Master Baker shop. So, there it is. You beat them good. And then, you get the ice milk. Last night, I do this. Last night. I'm going to pass on a place with Master Baker. And last night, she whip up this. Yes. And you're gone. It's kind of slidey. But, shit shall not deserve nothing better than this. Shit shall and her dead husband. Yes. Because every man me hear so she kill them off. Lord Jesus. And she won't talk about that, but she talk about my good up auntie. All the time. Don't watch it. It will slip off. Because when your skin nice and clean, you know, things things go like that. Yes. Yes. I saw it all go. I don't know watch nothing. Oh, I never know. So we make it to the list. Pan chocolate and vanilla as the top baker them. We place a number 8. But after today, we go right up at top. Right over the planka boss. We fly over this. Yes, number 1. Pan the chocolate and vanilla phobe list. You understand? Number 1 up there. We see ourselves, people at top want for order. Then can't wait for order from Master Baker. Me reading at the comment and I just pay Master Baker cake them want. They don't want nobody else on the list cake but Master Baker. They don't want Plonka Boss cake. They don't want Majesty cake. It's just Master Baker. Me can't blame them. I send out the cleanest cake. Yes. On the watch and see for me cake them. Well beard. Well beard. And guess who's here today with me, people? My attorney Biscuit there. Because we're going to pursue with the sewings. But attorney Biscuit there. On the thing they lie? Yes. I Attorney Biscuit is here.
Yes, Master Baker.
Yes. Welcome back, Attorney Biscuit. A long time, me didn't look for you. And I think say you disappeared from me because you never won the case last year.
No, I didn't disappear. I had a lot of cases I was dealing with.
So for me case not important.
No, I'm not saying your case wasn't important, Master Baker.
So what take you so long?
I had to go to court for a lot of different cases.
So you couldn't come with you so we can see how the court proceedings go.
I didn't know you wanted to come.
Yes, well, me in the suing this year. Me going after the gazebo, and me say, Majesty. Me say,
Gazebo?
yeah, gazebo.
What's gazebo?
You never did watch when Dirty Foot Chocolate and Dundos Vanilla they go down there and jump up and down from the gazebo. You never watch it. You supposed to carry me go to Jamaica and then beat me down there. Yes, Dirty Foot flat at the chocolate they down there. Pan the gazebo, I go on like so she can dance.
I thought it was a gazebo.
Oh, a gazebo name?
Gazebo.
Oh, you have to teach me them things you're not coming out and going to court, going to look like idiot.
No, I won't let you do that.
Okay. So, me want the gazebo.
Okay. So
Gazebo.
Let me start my stuff.
Yes.
But Master Baker, I didn't know you were pregnant.
Lots. Me's a
I haven't seen you in a while. How far along are you?
10 months.
10 months.
10 months.
Pregnancy
Bernardo.
only last 9.
Yes, but for the baby have to fully develop. Yeah, understand? Bernardo is not a regular baby.
Oh.
Yes, Bernardo is not a regular baby. Bernardo, I don't know how to describe Bernardo. But you know what? I just went to the doctor.
You did?
Yes, I'm gonna get me the ultrasound. You want to see how Bernardo
Yes,
look?
please.
Oh no, I can't wait to show off my Bernardo. I say, in Papa there Jamaica by the way.
Oh, he is.
In Papa down at Jamaica, and God knows me are watching. Because if you make no wrong move down there, all hell go broke loose. All hell go broke loose. But me no worry, because cousin down there.
Oh,
Cousin down there, to keep him under manners.
Okay.
Yes.
So
But
he'll behave himself.
yes. But let me go for that. Let me go for the ultrasound show.
Okay.
Lock. Lock. The cake nice, you see? And I'll come and bake it. It's not because it's me baking. Jesus God. Lord bless me with such a beautiful baby. Boy, Brillie Jeans bring some a beautiful son in our soon. They bring a beautiful son in the world.
Oh, okay.
Let me show you them. Let me show you them. My beautiful Bernardo. I want to show them before we show you vanilla biscuit.
Okay.
Lord Jesus, I love you. I love you already. I poil you already. God bless you. My little son. Jesus. Him cutie, man. Him look just like him in grandpapa.
He look just like him?
Just like in grandpapa.
Really?
Me never know say Bernardo's genes are strong. And the grandpapa genes are strong.
Really?
Me set him up proud of him grandson. Yeah. Chris I got proud of him grandson.
Okay.
Why in favor Chris already?
Looks like him.
Yeah, let me show them. On a look and see. No look and see. Look and see. Bernardo just up in my stomach a chill out. Just a chill out like that. Yes, you see? In here well done like when him grandpapa I go on vacation. You see? He running our family. Look on the Jura. Look. In favor of grandpapa already, don't. Lord Jesus, me can't wait for him come, you see? And me invite the Walla on to him baby shower. See my practice for him shower there already. Locks with them nice drinks in I and them nice like a spliff. Me no want to judge me baby. Una don't judge me picnic. Una don't judge me picnic. You understand? Yes. You know one song where they sing. Say wisdom, yeah, in the weed. You understand? So I get wisdom from India. Una don't judge me baby. Yeah, see me here vanilla biscuit.
Oh my.
In cute, don't him cute.
Wow.
Yeah, in cute already. Yes.
I've never seen a baby with a drink and a joint.
Well, you never see for me, baby.
No.
You never see for me, baby. You can't compare my baby with everybody else, baby. Huh? So what you trying to tell me, my baby no deserve to quenching thirst in my gut? He no deserve to feel good if he moody. He no deserve to have a nice little spliff for calming down. What you talking about?
But that's what the umbilical cord's for.
Me don't want you come turn the doctor up in here. Use that turn here that me. I hear you, sir. You understand? Look on the cuteness. You understand?
He has a lot of braids.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, me tell you same year long. That's why I'm giving me heartburn. Oh.
He gives you heartburn.
Yes. You understand? Well, if you have to criticize and judge,
I'm not
me
going to
order.
criticize your baby.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Yes. So, Master Baker, go and look. I'm going to see all kind of things. What I want.
Okay.
Yes. I'm a research for you.
All right.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, me want to sue for the gazebo. I want to sue for your Airbnb. When me see your Majesty post.
Gazebo.
And Airbnb.
From Plankabos.
From Plankabos, yes. From Plankabos, yes. And Airbnb from your Majesty. You understand? This a cake, yeah. I know everything have to be smooth. Like, you know, go down the belly smooth. You understand? So I don't understand what me have to try to get it smooth for. You understand?
What is that for, Master Baker?
This is for one woman. She named Poop Shell. Yes. She celebrate her anniversary.
What kind of anniversary?
With our dead husband them.
With her dead husband?
Yes, every man go on our dead off.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sounds like
Me not chat her behind her back. Me not chat her. Me will tell her to her face. All she can do is class me. Because that's all them good for. For class. Yeah? I must be kind of afraid of not classing. Because them get up and class my auntie. You know my auntie, right? You know my auntie?
Yes.
Yeah. You know so my auntie different from Plankabos.
Yeah.
My auntie are Auntie Donna.
Yeah.
Plankabos are the one we want. I stuff them.
Yes. Yes.
I three, and the baker. Yes. She a baker. My auntie bake too, you know.
Oh, your auntie
My auntie
bake
bake,
too.
but me not go for my auntie. Me I go for Plankabos.
Oh.
Yes. So, me there, I rig up and say one piece of cake because I'm afraid to send it with a slice, Miss Min. And I like to pay a full price one. A discount she get it from. You understand?
She got it on discount?
Yeah, discount. Yeah, discount she get it from.
Oh.
Yes. So, yes, me I send it go give her just like this. Yes, my love. See him so it go.
What happened to the frosting on the side?
Me don't want your question.
I'm just
me decorating ability.
Okay. I'm sorry. You're the professional.
Yes, me a professional around here.
Yes.
Master Baker do this for years. You understand? Yes. I mean, I'll spend no time on a wicked people cake. You understand?
Okay.
Yes, wicked people forget them type of cake, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. You lean up on bad mind like that.
Oh.
Yes, this is one bad mind cake. Upside down bad mind cake.
Oh.
Bulla cake with pineapple pan it. You did see when I put the pineapple pan it?
Yes, I did.
Yes. Now you see they come here send it to their old Jezebel and crosses. And then chat so much. Let me tell you what me are going to do. I tell you what I'm going to do. Hold on there. Things they love get up and can't sleep at night time. Master Baker have sitting to them. Master Baker have sitting to her. Yes. So what Master Baker going to do? We're going to cut one scotch bonnet pepper. And we're going to push it. Yes, we're going to put your hand there. Yes, so she can't see. And when she biting at it, you understand? Yes. Yes, we're going to put the scotch bonnet right there. We're going to put it right there. Then crave them to, they're not going to look and pay attention to what them and yeah. Yes. That's it's pretty, don't.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty.
That's different.
Yeah, it's different. Master Baker not do not know where stay like everybody else. Yeah? It's not supposed to look like everybody else cake.
You're one of a kind, Master
One of a
Baker.
kind.
Yes.
Be glad how you understand.
Yes.
Vanilla biscuit. Yes, be glad how you understand. Yeah? Yes.
My stomach hurts, Master Baker.
Your stomach hurt?
Yeah.
Want to you're full of gas. Vanilla biscuit.
Yes.
You're full of gas. When last you poop? When last you do a good big poop? Poop. Ear come out of your body. Poop.
What's that?
Poop. Ear fart. Vanilla biscuit. Fart.
Fart?
Yes, when was the last time you fart?
I don't know. I don't keep track of my farts.
But me know say a gas you have make your belly hurt you. And you say we're up. Master Baker, I have a remedy for everything.
You do?
Yes, you just need a little ginger tea for bust up your gas and make you poop. You understand? Make you fart, make you blow it out. Yes, make you blow it out. Master Baker have some tea can do you. Yes? Vanilla biscuit. Alright, we have some tea here for you. See, there's some ginger tea, and we have some water in it. You understand? I'll pour out it. Yes, yes. And you tip a little sugar. Here's your spoon and sugar. Yes, and sup it vanilla. Sup it fast. Night, yeah, fast. And get out the gas then. Get out the gas, cause you're full up of gas. You understand? You need to let go a big poop. And you relief all of that tension in your belly. Yes, sip it, taste it, taste it. Taste it. Yeah, taste it. Taste it. How it is?
Woo.
What happened to it? Oh, no. What happened to it?
I've never had something like, what is this called?
Ginger tea, ginger.
Ginger tea?
Why people don't know ginger?
I haven't drank it in tea.
Okay, well, you're drinking, there's a first time for everything.
I guess
you understand? So. And you're going to poop. You're going to fart. One time that it is spot, you're going to fart. And don't fart in my kitchen. Don't fart in here. Wait till you're on your way home for fart.
Okay.
You understand?
All right.
Yeah, Master Baker don't like fart.
I'll do my best to hold it.
Hold it.
Yes.
When you feel like you're going to fart, you leave.
I'll do my best.
Yes, because your sister may bake people cake in here. You can't fart.
No.
Around people cake.
No.
Hurry up and drink it up. Yes.
Okay.
Hurry up and drink it up. No, we're not a slow business in the Master Baker kitchen. You understand?
All right,
yes.
Master Baker.
Yes. So you have all of the information you need for Sudan people there.
Yes,
the Planka Boss and Your Majesty.
Yes, I do.
All right. Yes. No want you me not losing this here. This thing look like you need some more spray.
So you want the...
Yeah, it kind of slide. Don't worry about it. When I put it in the box, it now go slide.
You want the gazebo from
Yeah,
the boss?
Yeah, I want the gazebo and I want the Airbnb from Your Majesty.
Okay.
Yes. Understand? Yes. So
Thank you. Thank you, Master Baker.
You're welcome. You're welcome. No teeth, nothing from me.
No.
Not teeth, nothing from me.
I'm not a thief.
Yes. No teeth, and I look on my Bernardo too close. Because next thing you want teeth, my man, for have a baby like that. You understand?
Oh, no.
The baby cute. Yeah. So, that's it. That's all you need from me?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Vanilla Biscuit, I'm glad to see you back. And hopefully this year you're not a loser. You're not a loser attorney. Because I'm not like to lose. But what pies me?
Well, Master Baker, I see where things went wrong the last time. And I have the remedy to fix it.
Okay.
So, just be patient with me. Let me just finish this up.
All right. Hurry up. I don't like people turning on my kitchen too long. Yeah. I don't like people carry around me too long. You understand? Hurry up and type fast. You're supposed to just type 100 or odd words a minute. You understand me? Master Baker have things to do. Yeah? Master Baker have more cakes to bake. Master Baker have more blood pressure for run. You understand? Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Master Baker have all of that for you. So.
All right. Okay, Master Baker. So I have everything that I need. When I come back the next time, I'm gonna have documents for you to sign.
Okay.
So that we can send this certified mail. We'll get it notarized. Send a certified mail for them to sign for it, so they can't say they didn't get it. And then we'll proceed from there. So I will be back next weekend with paperwork for you to sign.
Okay.
Okay? You're all right with that?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much for the tea. I greatly appreciate it.
All right. You feel like you want poop now, I know.
Yeah.
Hurry up
I'm
and
gonna
get
go.
up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I feel like you want fart now. And so when the ginger tea eat the gas, you understand? All of that happen. Yeah. So from now on, every time your belly hurts you drink some ginger tea. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. Some syrupy tea. Yes.
What is that?
When you're ready, come for it.
Okay.
I can't give you my secret then.
Okay.
And everybody can know about serosity. We have a tea for every sickness so you have.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
Master Baker have it. Yes.
Okay.
You don't need to take them pill. And them syrup. You understand? Some good hot tea. Any headache, some tea. Yes. Gas in your head too. Gas get in your head.
Okay.
Yes. You have ears infected, a gas down in your ears. Yes.
Oh.
Your eyes them around gas. You understand? May have everything for your gas. You're full up of gas.
Do you have something for allergies?
Yes.
Okay.
Gas. A gas cause allergies. Come.
Okay.
Come.
All right.
Yes, a gas. When you're full of too much gas and you don't know what figure, you run your nose and make you sneeze.
All right.
That's why your teeth not from Master Baker garden.
I'll be back next week.
Let yourself out.
Okay.
Let yourself out. Alright? I'm glad to see you, biscuit.
You too, Master Baker.
Maybe leaving here this year.
Yes.
Alright.
You're gonna win.
All right, go home.
Okay.
Yes.